Welcome to New Car. Today, we bring you a closer look at one of the most extraordinary classic cars ever built, the 1937 Cadillac V16 Hartmann Cabriolet. This remarkable vehicle is a perfect fusion of American engineering and Swiss craftsmanship, created for a wealthy Swiss businessman who desired a one-of-a-kind automobile. With its extravagant design, unmatched luxury, and a powerful Cadillac V16 engine, this masterpiece continues to captivate car enthusiasts worldwide. Built on Cadillac's legendary 452 cubic-inch V16 chassis, this Grand Cabriolet was designed by Swiss coachbuilder Willy Hartmann. Its body stretches an incredible 22 feet, featuring flowing lines, elegant curves, and stunning chrome details that make it stand out even among the most luxurious cars of its time. Originally painted in off-white with orange accents, it was a true head-turner. The powerful engine delivered effortless performance, making it not just a work of art, but a high-performance machine. The car's history is just as fascinating as its design. During World War II, it was stored away, later re-emerging with a fresh coat of white and blue paint. After an accident, it underwent further modifications, including new bullet-style headlights and a more modern bumper. By 1968, it had been abandoned in a field, only to be rediscovered and sold for a mere $925. Over the years, it passed through multiple owners and underwent various restorations, each adding to its unique story. Today, the 1937 Cadillac V16 Hartmann Cabriolet is celebrated as one of the most significant custom-built luxury cars of its era. It represents an era of grand coach building, where cars were not just machines, but expressions of wealth and artistry. Its rarity and distinctive design make it a highly sought-after classic, earning it a place in prestigious car collections and historic exhibitions around the world. Thank you for joining New Car 808 on this journey into automotive history. If you love classic cars and want to see more stunning masterpieces, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Stay tuned for more incredible stories from the world of rare and legendary automobiles.